So here in Tsui Estate we have another interesting little example of, which is, well, look at these. I beg your pardon, Ficus benjamina growing in these teensy-weensy little planters, right? Here we see those trees around the time of planting in a picture dated 1991 from the Housing Authority social media. The trees appear to have been planted to say light standard size, around 2 or 2.5 meters tall. But as we can see, problems appeared later. And let's just go up to the top and have a look, see how they've grown up. Almost certainly planted, I'm guessing again, around maybe late 80s, something like that. So, of course, they're in these tiny planters, so they have not grown very well. If you look carefully, the tree on the left is just a twig, really. I mean, it's a joke. So why would anybody plant Ficus benjamina in such ridiculous, tiny little planting area? And the answer is almost certainly that they were planted as ornamental shrubs, probably intended to be clipped into ball shape, or maybe, sort of a pointed lozenge shape. But they were not maintained. This is the genius of not maintaining. It's so fantastic. Right? So without the maintenance, of course, the trees have just grown straight up. There's only these two. If we look at the rest of these steps here, look, we can see one more up there. There's one more, right, in a planting area up there. Elsewhere, we've got Phoenix robelenii, which is very small and well behaved. There's my bag. So the Ficus benjamina probably were there, have mostly fallen down, and what we're seeing is the remnants of what many people would call a mistake, but which I call something really interesting. It shows what the Ficus benjamina can do even when you give it almost nothing to grow in, right? Anyway, there's Ficus benjamina.